So I have this expensive Parker Smart Service Toolkit right here. $700, 700 US dollars. I think it's like the latest one is like $730 or $750 online. But this is very expensive. But guess what? Doesn't come with a manifold. So got sensors right here. For this is the high side. This is temperature sensor. That's the high pressure sensor, and it is a low pressure temperature sensor. And then obviously you say, well, all that money, got superheat, subcooling, but what if you want to add some refrigerant? What if you want to charge some system? What if you want to, I don't know, pull a vacuum, I guess? How do you use that? Well, here we go. I'm measuring superheat, subcooling, and you see my refrigerant tank. That's gold right there, baby. Power 22. But anyways, you can see what I did. Just have a regular manifold here, and I connect my blue hose, my low side, to the low side, low side to low side, and I have the low side gauge is opened. So read that pressure right there. Same pressure as you've seen right here, 75. And then what I did though, I have my yellow hose, charging hose, to my tank, but I have a valve. And that valve is closed. So if I need to add some refrigerant, I just open that valve. Or if you have a hose that doesn't have a valve on it, you can just use the valve on the tank, the valve on the refrigerant tank itself. All right, and then I take the low side pressure sensor and attach it to the high side gauge, where the high side hose is supposed to go, and then I just leave that open. So the pressure is from here, it's going to go right through. It's still in this hose right here, it goes right through the manifold, and it's right over here. So on my high side, see it over there, with the high side, I'm getting temperature. So I have my subcooling. I have my subcooling and my superheat. And if I want to add some refrigerant, I just simply open. See it's going up. Voila. That's how you do that. All right, so you can always add refrigerant and have the luxury of checking superheat and subcooling. So in the event you don't have a fancy hose like this is a HVAC hose, by the way. If you don't have a hose like this with a valve on there, then you can just simply use a valve in the tank. So I can open this. Let's just say this wasn't there. It's open right now. Then I could just, once these two are open, I'm reading with my sensor. And you can use this with the smart TESTOs. If you have the TESTO sensors and no manifolds, and you want to like check superheat and subcool while you charge, here you go. You're welcome. Become a preferred member. Right, because you know I'm bringing value, you know I'm worth it, you know I'm good for it. All right, so you can use this method with your FIELDPIECE smart probes or TESTO smart probes, whatever smart probe kit you got. I just happen to have the Parker. This method right here, you want to charge, use this method, use this setup right here. Put your high side over there, low side for charging to your manifold. As you can see here, take your low pressure sensor, put it on the high side gauge port where this hose is supposed to go. Right, this is supposed to go right there. I'm not using that because I don't need to. I'm just charging. I'm checking my pressures from the high side. All right, that's it.